Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Read AI with your Outlook calendar. So let's begin. First, make sure you are on the official website. Okay, if you haven't created an account yet, just type on Read AI and choose the very first option that shows Read.ai. Next, you will just need to log into your account. You can use your Gmail for quick access. Then once on the home page, you can hover right over here on the left panel, click on integrations. Then over here, you have various options. We just need to choose Outlook calendar. So click on this. Like for example, I haven't connected my Outlook calendar yet, but if, for example, if it's already connected, it will show something like this. Okay, it will show like sync calendars. It will show default calendar, which is my Google Calendar, and you can switch in between. And of course, if you decide to disconnect your Outlook calendar with your Read AI, just simply click this button. And if you're going to connect this, they will just ask permissions, and you will just need to enter your password just for security purposes to your Gmail account. Once that is done, click OK and confirm. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Outlook calendar with your Read AI. You can now seamlessly use these two applications for your work. I hope you found this video very helpful.